I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World. विश्व की माँ बन के I am Swami Vishwanand, designated as a Mother of the World. Today, early in the morning, I got spiritual messages from the God, Allah, Supreme Soul, from His house. How we can meet God, we can see God, we can talk with God, we can get powers and spirituality and authority from God. There are some necessities which we will see today. Bases are required to meet God, some systems are required to meet God, and some pillars are also needed to meet with God. These three items, these three stages we will see today. This message is house of God. This message I am conveying just as a servant of God. First, we will see the basis of connection with God. We must concentration on as a we are beautiful soul, not body. Second is God is not omnipresent. He is not everywhere. So we must concentrate on Supreme Soul, God. He is living at incorporeal world, Brahmalok. His name is Paramatma, God, Allah, as a Supreme Soul. His appearance in form of light, Nur, Prakash. Third base is we as a soul has close, lovely and sweet relationship with Supreme Soul, God, like relationship among children with their parents in the world. After this knowledge, we must concentrate and remember God at incorporeal world as home, appearance of light. These are bases to connect with God. There are some systems we must learn, we must see the systems, how we can follow the systems and we can meet, we can see God. The first is wiremen remove rubbers from electric wires and connect wire for getting electric power. Just this way we must remove the attraction of material and relations to the people with society. These are the rubbers. We must clean, remove these rubbers, these relationships, this attachment, attraction from our heart. Then we can get power from God. Second is Satguru, spiritual masters, teachers connect our souls with Supreme Soul God by wire of spiritual power from God. He connect this wire of power of God by spiritual master, gurus and spiritual teachers. He has complete knowledge and systems given by God, and He give us such spiritual knowledge and connect with the spiritual wire, which wires came from God. These are the second system. Third one is just mediator connect weeping and separated child from his lovely mother in funfair with massive people. Such way, some pitiful heart and complete uh, soul, knowledgeable soul, will also find out the weeping people in this world, and he give the service of spiritual knowledge to such weeping people, searching God people and unhappy people, and give their spiritual services and try to meet with God, such people. This way, middlemen like spiritual master and teacher play a role as a middleman, mediator, and then any weeping and eager people can meet God. Fourth one is just mobile charging can charge mobile's battery by electric power and connect two chargers point in electric board. This way our mind and intellectual must connect with God, and then we can charge our heart, we can purify our heart. Fifth one is just rays of sun destroy dirty. Such way all types of negativities can destroy from our hearts by connect with a powerful God. Sixth one is if a glass with put middle of if glass not glass but if glass with put middle of sun rays and paper, then all rays will collectively concentrate on paper, and then paper can burn. Such way all knowledgeful powers rays from God can collect by concentration of our mind on our heart, then negativities, bad habits can burn from our heart like this way. Sun rays can make evaporation and fly in the sky as a air of evaporation, in form of evaporation. Such way, if we will implement spiritualities and knowledge, and then this power of God can evaporate our negativities and bad habits, and our soul become purified, then our souls can fly lightful, and being a light our soul can fly and can reach with God and see God and talk with God. Such way, 8 system we must naturally remembers our fathers of father of our soul. Just childrens remember their body's father. Just in the world, each and every children remembers their body's father if children are far away from their fathers. Such way, we souls are children of our Father, Supreme Soul, God. So that we must remember our Supreme Father, Supreme Soul, God, with loveful and with very sweet relationship. Then we can get power from God. These are the systems, how we can follow these systems and we can get connection with God, we can see God, we can meet God. These are the systems. We must follow these systems. The pillars and stairs, we must follow these pillars and stairs in our spiritual life. These are the pillars we can see here, which support for meet with God. Some self disciplines are necessary for meet with God, which are mainly as one, control on lust, remain constant thinking as soul concentrations. Soul consciousness, we must thinking as a soul consciousness, and we must think about God. We must uh, implement thought process with God, not interest in lust and such exercise. We must follow the rules and regulations of all spiritual books, and then we can purify our lower self, belly button, devil, five vikars as a Ravan are already in our human bodies. As a examiner, we must control this lower self and belly button by the implement of brahmacharya, control on lust. This is one pillar. We must get only pure diets, such vegetables, vegetarian food. Put food plants to God. The take as a prasad, and then we must take this food as a gift of God. We must remember that all diets can affect on our mind, body. If we want to walk on spiritual path, then our mind and mind body must be cool. If we maintain our mind body cool, then we must take vegetarian and simple food, fruits, milks, etc. This is second pillars. Focus on pure diets. Third one pillar is constant remains with God's thinking. Reading of spiritual and religion books only. Hear spiritual speeches of spiritual leaders, spiritual masters, and spiritual teachers. Not read and not hear bad books, and we must remain away from bad people and bad habited peoples in society. Then and then we can remain with spiritual thoughts, spiritual books, and spiritual speeches of spiritual leaders, spiritual masters, and spiritual teachers. This will help to concentrate with God and get power with God. This one, third one, pillars for reach God. Fourth pillar is accept of divine values from God and share with hunger and painful souls. There are sentences in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. If anybody get knowledge and power from God and will give these services to the hunger and painful souls in world, then this type of Kamile Murshid, this type of spiritual masters, complete spiritual master will be like very much to God, so that we must get this path, spiritual path, and we after the follow the spiritual pillars, we can see God, we can meet God, we can talk with God, and we can obtain all powers and knowledge and all human values from God. And after that, we must serve these human beings, mankind. Those peoples are hunger and painful position in the world and eager to meet God. We must give our these services after being a Kamile Murshid, complete spiritual masters. So These are the pillars to meet God, to see God, and talk with God. Let us try to be a spiritual, complete person, and let we must serve to mankind, and we must be lovely to God. This is the great message from God today I obtained in the early morning 4 to 5, and God has given me to convey this message to mankind. This is my humble service. This message is from God, from house of God. I am praying for all mankind be remain healthy, wealthy, and happiness, and safe from coronavirus situations. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.